We didn't just unbox these, we sprayed, primed, cleaned, and pushed each machine to the limit across drywall, cabinets, fences, and exterior siding. Here's what happened when 5 of the industry's hottest sprayers met our real-world tests. Graco Magnum X5. This one came alive on our exterior wall test. Steady flow, easy setup, and fantastic coverage across textured stucco. The adjustable pressure dial helped us shift from trim to full wall coats in seconds. It's ideal for serious DIYers and pros tackling medium to large projects. The metal stand kept everything stable, and cleanup through the power flush adapter took under 6 minutes. Competitive edge, precision, and pace. Want pro-grade control without the pro price? Hit the description for best deals on the X5. Graco Project Painter Plus. We used this one for interior trims and a small kitchen cabinet refresh. It was smooth, surprisingly powerful, and forgiving for first-time users. At just 13 pounds, it's ultra-portable and doesn't need a separate compressor. The flexible suction tube let us spray directly from the bucket, even when the paint ran low. It's perfect for new homeowners, hobbyists, or weekend warriors who need consistency. Thinking of upgrading your painting game? Check the link for real-world pricing on this crowd favorite. Titan ControlMax 1900 Pro. This sprayer was a standout in our fence and garage door project. The high-efficiency airless tech cut overspray nearly in half compared to other units, saving us paint and mess. With a softer spray and better control, we got cleaner edges without masking everything in sight. Built for semi-pros or pros who care about finish quality, it's a market disruptor. More finesse, less waste. Interested in cutting down on overspray and cleanup? Link in bio for specs and our top price find. Graco Ultra Max Cordless. True freedom in your hand. This sprayer breezed through our fence touch-ups and interior baseboards with zero cords or hassle. Powered by DeWalt's 20-volt battery system, the Ultra Max handled water-based and solvent-based paints with stunning precision. The Pro Connect pump system was a time saver during clogs, and the handheld design meant less fatigue. It's built for pros on the go or anyone needing high-end results in tight spaces. Ready to ditch the cords? Tap the description to grab yours while it's still discounted. Our shed renovation was no match for the Wagner power tank. With gravity-fed paint flow and a generous 1.5-gallon tank, we ran a continuous spray for over 20 minutes without a refill. The Control Pro's low overspray design meant cleaner finishes, especially on raw wood panels. It's perfect for big surface jobs like garages, barns, or exterior siding. Budget-friendly, straightforward, and reliable. Want one sprayer to tackle everything from walls to wood? Tap the description for latest offers and performance tips.